Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to reset your forgotten LinkedIn password using your email on a PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to LinkedIn's official website by typing linkedin.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate and click the Sign In button at the top right corner. If you're already signed in but want to change your password, click on the Me icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings. Next, navigate to the Sign In and Security section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Change Password. Click on it. If you've forgotten your current password, don't worry. Simply click on the Forgot Password link. This will redirect you to a page where you can reset your password. Now, enter the email address associated with your LinkedIn account and click Next. LinkedIn will send a verification code to your email inbox. Open your email and locate the message from LinkedIn containing the verification code. Copy this code, return to the LinkedIn page, and paste or type it into the required field. Once done, click Submit. You'll now be prompted to create a new password. Make sure it's strong and secure by including a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Enter your new password in both fields provided, and click Submit again. And that's it. You've successfully reset your LinkedIn password and can now log back into your account with ease. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.